Hi. This is the intro. So yeah, let's go. I forgot to say I failed in a video. I thought my voice is recording there, but no. Okay, visit my TikTok. Bye. I just kidding. Yeah, it's Andrea Kutu my TikTok. Bye. This is Andrea. Okay. And let's go to prison. So okay, we are here. So welcome back again. And is this a good server? I don't know. Wait, I can chat, bro. Hi. Do I can leave? No. What? It's easy because I'm gonna just turn off Wi-Fi. Hey, notifications. Go away. Oh my God! Stop bullying me. Ha ha ha. Instant karma. Did you like me? No. No. I am not gay. Yeah. Easy. Hey, let me in, bro. Let me in. Oh, I hate you. Let me in. Yes! Yes! It's demon time. I will kill you. I will kill you. I hate this game. Yeah, I am here again. Hey, stop your aim, God. Hey, I will kill you. I will kill you. Go ahead. Hey, come on, stop. Dummy. No, 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 no. I can control myself. What? I hate myself. I become a demon in 20 seconds, I think, lol. When you're a prisoner in real life, it's sad because you're getting bored and you just gonna drink water from this toilet and wash hand here. Wait. Ahem. Never mind. Wait, let me get out of here, bro. Okay. In my failed video, my voice is so energy, and now no, because I'm out of energy. No, why you take my gun? Hey, don't take my gun. Hey, give me gun. Let me kill you. Hey, reset please, or I will take your rookie card. Never mind. Help me please. Hey, I don't want to be criminal because it's so bored. I can be criminal now, but I don't want. Yeah, I don't want to be criminal. And I can be criminal now in this lunch. Like, let me let the hint. Okay, just spam the lunch, and you will go here and go there. There. Oh, never mind. Right. I can. Never mind. Random, when are you? Hey, demon, my friend, demon. How are you? It's been a long time. It's been a long time. Yeah. I'm recording. I'm recording. I'm recording. Mhm. Okay. I will tell I have YouTube. I have white. I have whitey. Say hi. Say hi to my viewers. Say hi to my viewers. Yes. Yes. Say hi. Bro. Hi whitey. LOL. In third order. My sister is never mind. I'm not good at English, okay? Hey, give me that gun. No. Sorry. Ow. No, don't come here, Kadri. Mamaya ko na lang iinom yung pala yung taho ko kasi YouTube pa ako, lol. Help! No, don't kill my guy. No. Why? I will revenge for my friend. Hey, I hate you. You kill my friend. I hope you die. No, you make me bold. Oh, okay. Hey, police. Hey, kill me because I know you want to kill me. And there's nothing. No, you take my key card. Bro. Okay, it's 7 minutes. LOL. What? 7 minutes in this one video. Please watch to the end. You can't arrest me. I don't do anything. And you can't kill me because I do killing this guy. No, what is that? KO. Hey. Don't kill innocent prisoner. You can be warning. Sorry. Hey, demon. Oh my god, headless man. Hey, Huh? Demon. Hey, give me that guy. No. Follow me random. Okay. No, I am not PC. Stop. So, may mga walang kwentang maingay sa baba, kaya pinost ko yung video. Lol. And, Cap, you are 7 years old. Lol. Okay, just kidding. Hey, what are you doing? You can crash it, you dummy. Speeding cars? Then, where is your car? You can't arrest me because I don't do anything. You can't arrest me. I'm innocent. Hey, let me in, you dummy. Bro! What? This is oh, 1 hour? No, 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 no. I don't know. Um, uh, I think this is the end. Um, bye guys. Bye guys. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.